Welcome to the Fishes of Boneyard Creek video series. This video will take you through step 11 in the Fishes of Boneyard Creek dichotomous key. We will begin by looking at statement A. In order to move through step 11A, we must understand where each of the fins are located. There are three fins we will need to know: the dorsal fin, the caudal fin, and the anal fin. The first characteristic we will be looking at are the number of principal rays on the dorsal fin. You only count the rays that extend from the tip to the base of the fin. This fish has 8 principal rays. The second characteristic we will be looking at is the ratio of the distance from the caudal fin to the front of the anal fin and the distance from the front of the anal fin to the tip of the snout. This shows that the anal fin is placed forward, and the distance from the snout to the front of the anal fin is 2.5 times greater than the distance from the caudal fin base to the front of the anal fin. The third characteristic we will look at is the number of branched caudal fin rays. This specimen has 17. Make sure you are only counting the branched rays, as some of the rays on the edges may be unbranched. If these characteristics match your specimen, move to step 12 in the dichotomous key. If these characteristics do not match your statement, read statement 11b. We have already looked at the different fins, but the fins can vary in morphology. Some fish may have 2 dorsal fins, so be sure to count the fin rays only in the soft dorsal fin. As you can see, this specimen has 12 soft dorsal fin rays. We must again measure the ratio of the distance from the caudal fin base to the front of the anal fin and the distance from the front of the anal fin to the snout. The distance from the snout to the front of the anal fin is more than 2.5 times greater than the distance from the front of the anal fin to the caudal fin base. The final characteristic that we will look at is the number of branched caudal fin rays. This specimen has 16. If these characteristics match your specimen, then move on to step 26 in the dichotomous key. If neither statement matches your specimen, you have either made a mistake in an earlier step in the key, or you have discovered a new species in the Boneyard Creek. One characteristic I did not cover are pharyngeal teeth, which can be seen here. These are often impossible to visualize with a living specimen. If you have any further questions, please visit the Fishes of Boneyard Creek website, which can be found at this web address.